woza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Yo guys, allegedly yesterday was a busy day, guys. I saw these people confiscating luxury cars zaka Hangwani Mahomera. Yo guys, nizibonile zayimoto. Nizibonile singene etruckini guys. Yo, I even saw my dream car. Kuna le moto enhle le engathi kuyasho ukuthi vele yakhabo Audi. Ngazuthi ilokhuzani Q8 bathi iLamborghini Urus. Ya ngibonile lapha eblue belayisha nayo ngasho ngathi ya this guy was living large. Kuyasho ukuthi no umshana ka Cyril ngempela, even though Cyril MP phela umshana ka Cyril webillionaire. Kodwa kuvelayo ke phela ukuthi lapha yana washaya more than 800 million lapha eThembisa Hospital. More than 800 million, almost a billion. And then bavalile ama account kuthiwa bamthathele nemiza u10 nazo le inqwaba zeimoto angathi khona neboat khona lapho. And then but the guy has actually siphoned more than 2 billion from e-government, guys. And then you see now, guys, this is what they did to Saudi as well. You see now what happens. Uma kuthiwa umuntu ucorrupt kubalwe izigidigidi okanye angazi ngizothina amabhillion noma trillion kuthiwani izigidigidi kubalwe izigidigidi. Niyabona kwenzakalani? Uyalanda umuntu ebese kudliwa iproperty yakhe, kudliwa izinto zakhe, guys. You don't just make noise ku Stellenbosch media uzothi hey Zuma is corrupt, Zuma is corrupt. Go there. I need you've got evidence ukuthi he's corrupt. Go there and confiscate izinto zakhe. But uzoyenkandla uzobuya nani? Uzobuya nethe. Uzobuya ne fire pool. Oh, hey guys. Don't allow yourselves to be used, guys. I know ukuthi most of the people who will come here and make that noise, they are either from Limpopo or from the Eastern Cape. Those are the main people who come here and make that noise. So you see now, this is what happens to people who are said to be corrupt, guys. You don't make noise, Mautoli platform, and you make noise. Yeah, this is the corrupt, this is the most corrupt politician in South Africa, President Jacob Zuma, or former President Jacob Zuma of the 9 wasted years and state capture in Amsterdam. No, you don't do that. You don't. No, you've got evidence. Use the evidence to the advantage of the country. Don't make noise. Because Nimzulu Mkhonazi utheni uthi labantu ababela lapha 2021 benza le nto wakwenziwa during unrest, they were angry, and it happened ukuthi this thing uyibona ngapha ku SABC uyibona ngapha, and then abantu they also copied that and did it. It's not like ukuthi there was someone who was behind it. No, it's just that there are people who saw it happening and then they would write in their media platforms, and then basho ukuthi now we see you. But people were angry. That's why he even told umfundisi uDube wathi no, ungasondeli kulabo bantu. These people are angry. But now your government will run away from that. That's why akekho umuntu ongathi ungamusho kulabantu abaphezulu abake babala ukuthi baba nesandla kuleyanto leya unrest ya 2021 ongathi ngempela waboshwa, because abukho ubufakazi ukuthi uyo nesandla lokuthi abantu baze bahlanye ngale ndlela ababehlanya ngayo. But your media as well as your president, they will lie to you. Banitshela ukuthi hayi this thing is like this thing is like this, there's people were behind. No, there's nothing like that. I hope you understand now, guys. I hope you understand. But ke mina bengimangazwe le yanto izulu kwazoba usibiya ngapha naye uyakhala uthi ujikelwe amacolleague akhe including uMasemula, kwazoba ichief of staff yakhe ngapha uCedric na uyakhala noCedric. Yo guys, uCedric uze yasho nokusho ukuthi uma kwenzeka something kuye asosola uMaSimula. Ayibo guys, kwenzakalani emaphoyiseni? So amaphoyisa senje aveza nje amahlazo awo kanje ya in public. Amaphoyisa ayenzile indaba Mkhwanazi. Niyabona bafethu icase kaSenzo Meyi ukuthi i-corruption yamaphoyisa leya. And ubelokhe yisho lento uTefo, ingakho uTefo wa sideline namanje uyasho ukuthi usekwa offer 45 million kwathiwa akayeke le nto yale case kaSenzo Meyi. I-corruption yamaphoyisa hey baze bawungcolisa umbutho. Kumele simbonge uMkhwanazi osakhombisa ukumela umbutho even uMaSimula. And there is a lot of police out there, even uKhumalo. There is a lot of police out there who are still true to the to the badge. But ke bakhona abafana noSibiya. Uyakhuluma izolo uthi ubizwa ngecriminal. Hey wara. Thiwa uDom. Hey Sibiya niyahlekisa madoda. Sebenza negebengu mase nibanjiwe nifuna ukubaleka izenzo ngcwele ngcwele. Awusongcwele ngcwele ndoda. Hey, awusongcwele ngcwele wena.